Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Hookdll module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. While preparing the manual steps for Hookdll module, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Hookdll module, a specialized library frequently used by screen recording tools, antivirus sandboxes, and game modding frameworks to implement global message hooking via SetWindowsHookEx. It manages the interception of keyboard and mouse events across the entire OS. Because it hooks into active memory, it is a primary target for antivirus heuristics. Its absence prevents the parent software from capturing input, reporting injection failed. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. Because ScreenHooks32 DLL is specific to the localized input interception runtime environment, standard Windows repairs won't work, and you should use the official installer for your primary program, where the error occurs, to refresh the application and restore the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Hookdll module, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for ScreenHooks32. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your Hookdll module environment. To support our technical team and receive updates on Hookdll module resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.